Meaning of duty-free.
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 Duty-free. Duty-free refers to the sale of goods that are exempt from certain taxes and duties that would typically be applied when importing or exporting them. These taxes and duties can include customs duties, excise taxes, and value-added taxes. By purchasing goods duty-free, customers can often enjoy lower prices on items like alcohol, tobacco, perfume, and luxury items. Duty-free shopping is usually only available in international airports, seaports, and border crossings where travelers are passing through customs and immigration.